Not every hike needs to be an epic hike to some beautiful waterfall or something. Sometimes it's the simple hikes just right around your area or wherever you're at that really touch you. I hope you enjoy this video. What is it?
Fluffy.
A fluffy?
Look
A
out.
squirrel?
Look out.
What did you see?
Bunny.
You saw a bunny under there?
Yeah.
You gonna catch the bird? Go get him, Will. Did he fly away?
Yeah.
What is it?
A water baby.
Another baby Wow.
A bunny.
Is that his nest?
Okay.
You alright?
Yeah.
Here we go. Alright, how many is that?
Yeah.
3?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's keep going.
I see a butterfly.
You saw another butterfly?
Yeah, that way.
Whoa! There he is. Did you catch him?
No.
Oh. What is it?
What?
Oh, you got it?
No. You don't go try.
You want me to try and get it?
Yeah.
Alright, buddy. You record me getting it, okay?
Okay.
Here we go. Oh, I think I got him. Here you go.
Whoa.
Oh, did we get the baby pterodactyl?
Yeah.
Nice.
That way. A water coming.
Oh, there's a rock to climb.
A bar.
You found another dinosaur
Yeah.
on the rock?
Yeah.
All right, got him.
A water egg.
Yeah, we found a dinosaur egg, huh? There's a golf course right next door, and so we just are walking by there, and Will thinks that all the golf balls are dinosaur eggs, so he's loving this. Look over that way.
Huh?
Do you see it?
No.
Right there on the ground. Over there, there's another egg. Go get it. Nice, you got another dinosaur egg. Let's see.
There. Yeah, water egg.
You found a raw egg?
Yeah.
What kind of raw egg is it?
A topic.
A triceratops and a T-Rex? Is that a pterodactyl?
Yeah.
Is that a pterodactyl egg?
Yeah.
Putting together this video and editing it, this is the essence of why I do YouTube. I just want to create memories of fun times that I have with my kids. Sometimes it's not those epic hikes to a waterfall that you remember, but it's just that interaction you have with your family and friends that you're out doing activities with. And this one I think is one that will be cherished for a long time. So I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.